Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to the third European SONiC Linux workshop at the OCP Regional Summit in beautiful Dublin. I hope we have really kind of got the best weather conditions over here. It's not quite usual. So enjoy the time here with us. So my name is Waldemar Scheck, and I'm proud to be part of such an amazing community talking about the Linux Foundation, talking about the SONiC Foundation, and talking, of course, about the OCP. This workshop for us this time will highlight also once again why SONiC makes a difference, why SONiC is important for all of us, and why SONiC is deployed in most of the data centers, the modern scalable data centers we see in Europe today. This time, and in this workshop, we will also hear far more about AI technologies. We will hear about AI networks, which have, of course, special needs on scale, on programmability. And also, we will hear about tools which had been developed for the SONiC ecosystem, improving the day-to-day operation, making it far more easier for all of us. So what I was always saying is that SONiC was designed to stay and keep up with the future, but in fact, SONiC is helping us to build the future together. So today it's all about the development, sharing the ideas, creating new ideas, and moving things forward. And we have a fantastic lineup today of speakers. And before we dive into it, I would like to hand over to Sunny from the Linux Foundation to give us a general update from the SONiC community perspective. Thank you. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Waldemar. It's great to share stage with Waldemar today to kick off the SONiC forum. And so my name is Sunny Cai. I'm marketing manager at the Linux Foundation. Today I will give you a quick overview of SONiC Foundation, where we're seeing with the project and the strong growth momentum that we see within the community. So first, for people who might not be familiar with the Linux Foundation, we're the largest shared technology investment foundation where we build ecosystem that everybody can collaborate and build open source software that deploy in a global scale. And in terms of networking, we have over 100 networking projects, but from end-to-end perspective, we have enterprise, we have edge, we have the core and the cloud networking stack. And on the right-hand side, you can see that at the NOS network operating system level, we have the largest and the most important project, NOS project, SONiC. It's right there at the base of the rest of the application stack for networking. And the community has seen a strong growth in the community. So as you can see that there is a growing number of contributors year over year in the past several years. We currently at a very steady cadence of 2 releases a year, a large number of commits every month, and also a ton of active code contributors across the globe. And within the SONiC Foundation, we also have a lot of sub-working groups that specialized in all of those topics listed right there. So by now, we've all heard of AI, and AI is very important. But how do you make sure that a network operating system is not only ready for AI, but also optimized for AI? And that's what SONiC is. So make sure you ask the experts in the community on how they did that, and a lot of them are presenting today. So looking forward, one of the things that excites me the most in the SONiC community is that just within 1 year, we have had tremendous growth in the community, whether if it's from social media impressions point of view, number of views on YouTube, followers, or press analyst reach. We constantly getting questions coming at us from people asking what's going on with SONiC, what's the future of SONiC, what are the use cases of SONiC, and what SONiC is deployed, and etc. And it's also exciting to see from a press analyst point of view that they're supporting as well. In fact, we have quite a lot of analysts, such as Del Oro, is tracking the market size of NOS. It's actually really rare for analysts to track the market size of NOS, so it's really great to see that. So I would say with all of those, it's safe to say that we have achieved project market fit in Silicon Valley language, which means that there's the need, there's the capability, and there's the ecosystem that's pulling this forward. So very exciting time for SONiC. And we just announced this morning at 9 a.m. Welcome 4 new members that just joined the SONiC Foundation, including Arista Networks joining as premier member, and general members including Auradine, Nextop AI, and STORDIS. Also this week, we have a ton of activities going on at the SONiC booth at the ground floor, right next to the keynote, right next to the theater stage as well. So make sure you stop by and check us out. So with that being said, SONiC has a robust, growing ecosystem. And one of the biggest things for open source that you want to make sure is the community is there. So I can confidently say that not only the community is there, but also it's growing really fast. And some of the SONiC deployments, just a few examples. Microsoft Azure is running on SONiC. Alibaba Cloud runs on SONiC. Google, Broadcom, Target, AT&T, eBay, KDDI, just to name a few. And we're also very looking forward to the deployments that we don't know about because we have a whole ecosystem of vendors that are not only supporting SONiC, but also integrating SONiC into their products. They're also deploying for the enterprise as well. All right, here are just some pictures of some of the community members that we have across the globe. We are on the very steady cadence of having content and bringing content to different local regions in the world. We have already kickstarted this year's packed event agenda. Earlier last month, we were in London for Open Networking Edge Summit, and this week we are at Dublin, and we have more regional events coming up in India, China, Japan, and more. So please enjoy, learn, and attend those events. And if you're not a SONiC member, please go to our website and join us, because your contribution, your support, and your funding really goes a long way, and it helps us to have events like this around different regions in the world. So yeah, let's get together and solve a very simple problem, but also a very complicated problem, which is, what's the future of network operating system or network switches that's open source? And the answer is SONiC. Thank you, and I'll pass the mic to you.